Guys, let's take a look at this gold. There's something I'm seeing right here. All right, this is Xauusd, right? I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing. We have a break of structure. Let me just start from here. The previous push to the downside. Yeah, I took this trade right from this place, and I took this trade from here. The trade pushed down to this zone, right? And everybody is anticipating that gold is ready for a bullish trend, right? I'm also anticipating that too. But there's something I'm seeing. This is a break of structure, and I actually took this trade as a correctional move, right? To mitigate here, to mitigate this other block we have here. Are you seeing it? Yeah. So let me move to the lower time frame. Now, I was hoping that price is going to push all the way. After I hit my profit around this zone, price, that's before the that's when during the CPI news yesterday, I took this trade around this zone, right? I have my eyes on this little break of structure here. Let me move down again to the left. Yeah, you can see it's right here. You are seeing this. I had my eye on this little break of structure, and there was a change of character here. Then after price broke above this change of character, it came down to this zone. This is a very strong demand zone. This is where I took this trade. Then I ride it up to this place, hoping that when price come here, because of this other block here, regarding this break of structure, as we all know that gold was bearish, but price came here and failed to hold because of the CPI pushed it above here, causing another change of character, as you can see it, right? So what are you seeing here? I'm seeing another demand zone around this place, and I'm hoping to take this thing to ride it all the way from this zone back to this point. So all this zone right here is a demand zone, and I've been waiting for price to give me just a change of character. If you have been watching my video, I don't just enter trade once it comes to my zone. I need an internal change of character. That internal change of character will help me to know that, all right, I'm ready for the push or the pull. You are saying we have a break of structure here too. You have here break of structure, and here is the demand zone. So you can't just buy from here just because you are on a demand zone. You wait for this. That's why I am waiting for price to give me this thing. But seems like price is rejecting off this high. Don't want to break above here so we can give. But guys, once we see a push above this zone, and we want to see price push above here, come down a little bit to this zone, around this zone, or even this zone, somewhere around here is good enough for you to take gold to the upside. Remember, you cannot take gold here. Yeah, it's looking juicy from this place. Looking at it from here, we have all we need. Boom, a break of structure. We had the previous low break of structure here, and price came here, break above here, even though it's acting as if it's rejected off this zone. But no, me, I'm not seeing it like that. Whatever happens. I'm hoping to buy gold all the way from this zone, but that's with confirmation don't trade without confirmation, guys. That is where most of traders make mistake. You just jump in because price is at your zone. You need a lower time frame, even if it's 1 minute or 5 minutes, just to confirm that okay, I think we are ready for the buy, right? So guys, let me check my gbpusd. gbpusd is still pushing down. I don't know what this guy have in mind, but he's actually playing with my emotions, right? I took this buy from here and see what's happening. But I don't have a problem because I already have my break even below this zone. So even if GU have decided to fail me to continue to the downside, no problem. What do you have? What do you think is going to happen right here? Give me your thoughts in the comment section. I'm here. Let's talk about it.